it'll work great for facing backward. But right now I'm just proving the wiring harness. That's all my intent here is that the wiring harness I've made and modified all works fine. I'm plugging into the factory assembly. That's the factory plug. There is no temperature in these wires. I've made all my modifications outside the wiring harness, so everything works smoothly. And if I have any problems, I just gotta just unplug and replug. I'm gonna work on getting the rest of the wiring figured out to change the lighting system over, so that on the CF Moto, so that this switch here actually will turn on and off the headlight, not the running lights. Because right now, if I turn that off, it just turns off, my running lights. My tail light in the back is out. No, that's still on. So that's gonna be on. That's right. My front running lights go out. My front running lights go out. Anyhow, hope this helps anybody else who's working on doing this.